Hello. This is, I don't even know what part.
It's a whole new one.
But,
More.
we have more. So let's just start off with, actually, let's start off with the smaller one.
Ooh, look at the side of that box.
I know, it's gross.
Gross.
So, I'm going to, this is obviously the Spectral Classic, but just from looking at it with a very, very dirty box.
Hi, Lily.
Make sure it's the right one. Yep, okay. Oh my gosh. There. So we've got the instructions or whatever that is. And then we got the device. Finally, I finally have a spectral removal tool. Haven't had one. I don't have one yet. So this is also my first white Spectrular Classic, but it's a remote strobe, and this one is made without fire lettering. I think this is pretty cool. The model is S1224MCPW. Remote strobe. Koopy and Lily. No fighting. Okay.
It's the fire alarm cats. They like your unboxings.
They do. Nothing else? Okay. Now we're gonna start with this one. They like the Spectral alert box. Oops. So this is the skirt to the Simplex Trulet remote strobe or horn strobe series, or remote horn, the shallower ones, something that just is not a speaker. So this could be like to hide a back box or something to make it look better. The Trulet would sit flush. I can get one. Come on. All right, so I got, I don't know where my remote horn is, but I just got the horn strobe and the remote strobe. And so it's basically just supposed to sit on there like that, but you screw it in. This one, okay, let's see how this one looks. So it's really just flush on there. It just makes it look better. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.